Welcome to video 2 of the FG Marshall Book of Remembrance Entry Platform series. In this video, we will be looking in more detail at the entry management dashboard and how to manage the entries received and also how to manage the settings driving the platform, ensuring that all of your relevant data is correct and up to date. Let's begin. For most members of the bereavement team, the dashboard is the only section of the platform they will ever see. The dashboard provides an immediate snapshot of all of the entries received and also their stages of progress through the entry lifecycle. At the top section of the dashboard, you will see 4 tiles. Pending approval. These are entries that still require payment and also need to be approved. Client approved. Here you will find the entries that have been paid and that a member of the bereavement team, after review, has submitted for entry in the Book of Remembrance. This also means that the studio at FG Marshall has now received a copy of the entry that needs to be included. In progress. Here you will find all of the entries that have been approved by the FG Marshall studio team and has been scheduled for entry in the Book of Remembrance at the correct date. Completed. Once an entry cycle has been completed, the studio manager at FG Marshall will mark the entry as completed. Therefore, when the book goes on display, you can be sure that the entry has been created and has been included in the Book of Remembrance.
Let's look in a bit more detail at the approvals process. When you click on the Pending Approval tile, you will see a list of all the new entries. You can open an entry by selecting View. You are now able to see all of the relevant information regarding the entry. If there were any errors and you had to change some of the details in the entry, by selecting Save Changes, the client will be informed of the change and a new PDF will be created. If you select Save and Approve, the entry will now move into the production queue and FG Marshall will be informed of the new entry. Now that we are familiar with the entry management dashboard, let us take a closer look behind the scenes and explore the settings and variables that form the heart of your entry creator platform. These settings allow you to customize the customer journey, control pricing, manage products, and tailor the platform to the specific requirements of your crematorium. Before we begin, it is important to remember that the entry creator platform relies entirely on the information configured by your crematorium. We therefore recommend reviewing your settings regularly, particularly following any changes to pricing, contact details, products, or services. This helps ensure that families always receive accurate information when creating an entry. To make changes to the platform settings, you will require administrator access. The settings area can be accessed by selecting the Settings tile in the top right-hand corner of the dashboard. This will open the configuration page. To make changes, simply select the pencil icon. This will place the platform into edit mode and allow you to modify most of the available settings. Please note that these settings are live. Once changes have been saved, they will immediately become active on your entry creator platform. The first section contains your crematorium information. Here you can update the crematorium name displayed to families, along with the email addresses that should receive entry notifications. The next section contains your email templates. These templates are used to generate the emails sent to both families and your bereavement team whenever a new entry is submitted. If you would like to customize these emails, you will find a list of available placeholders and fields on the left-hand side of the screen. Should you wish to return to the default template at any time, simply select Load Example. The next section controls the entry settings. This area allows you to define the rules that govern how entries are created. For example, you can set minimum and maximum line counts, character limits, artwork requirements, and many other options that determine how the entry form behaves. The Products section allows you to control which additional products are available to families. At present, the platform supports folded cards and miniature booklets. Additional products, including framed copies, leather plaques, and wooden memorial panels, will be introduced in future releases. Next, you will find the Pricing section. This area has been designed to accommodate a wide range of pricing structures and should allow you to accurately reflect the pricing model used by your crematorium. Whenever pricing changes are made, we strongly recommend testing the platform to ensure that all calculations are working as expected. The final section is the Design area. If you offer folded cards or miniature booklets,
This is where you can upload and manage the product images displayed to families during the ordering process. Once you are satisfied with your changes, select Save. Your updated settings will then be applied to the live platform. As a final step, we recommend testing the customer journey to confirm that everything is working as expected. Should you encounter any issues or require assistance with configuration, please contact FG Marshall and we will be happy to help. Thank you for taking the time to watch this training video. We hope this overview has helped you better understand the configuration options available within the FG Marshall Book of Remembrance Entry Creator platform. As the platform continues to evolve, new features and functionality will be introduced through future updates. If there are any additional features you would like to see, including payment portal integration or bespoke functionality for your crematorium, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are always keen to receive feedback and will do our very best to accommodate future enhancements.